before we get going, let's make sure that we cover some important information here. And that is that all information presented here is for informational purposes only. The presenters are not financial advisors. All presenters' opinions are their own and is not intended to be a substitute for financial investment advice. And we're going to talk about some past results, but just keep in mind they are not indicative of future results.
What about this already, Gunter? But the main problem is that when you want to calculate percentage of profit, it's basically dividing the profit that you made in dollars divided by your capital in dollars, multiplied by 100. That gives you the percentage of profit. But one thing that we cannot control is the capital. Imagine someone comes now, today, let's say the 1st of January, comes in, he puts in 1,000 in this coin, and then runs with it for a month. And then after 1 month, they increase another 1,000. And then the bot started also creating more profit. So now the profit will be divided by the first 1,000 or the second 1,000 or the 2,000. So it's going to mix up. I mean, whatever percentage will be shown to you is going to be misleading in this case. So that's why we don't prefer to show a percentage of profit in percentage. This is the only reason. There's no other reason that we don't show. I know we don't want also to limit the people, like you put this amount and then you cannot add more. No, we want it to be open to people. Whenever they want to add more funds, they can add more funds. Whenever they want to reduce the amount, they can also reduce it. So that's the reason, is that miscalculation or misleading numbers can happen in case of we put a percentage. But however, what we're trying to do now, or what we'll be doing in the near future, is to show in the back office, in the sorry, in the dashboard. We will have the total amount of profit that you made today. For example, yesterday you made this much of profit in dollar value, in USDT value, on all of your coins. Last month you have made this, last 30 days you made this much of percentage. Then you can of money, sorry, of USDT. You can divide that by the total amount that you have invested, that you know you have invested. Otherwise, it's going to be misleading.